Hi, I'm Paul and welcome to Cambodia. Bit of an adventure today. I'm tagging along with a few of the locals. We're out here at Kravian, which is 200 kilometres west of Phnom Penh in the Pursat province. And I got a couple of the locals here have said they're going to go and get some Beehive. So let's come along for the ride. Let's go and see what they're up to. Okay.
Okay. One more.
Okay, so they've located one beehive in there. Because it's too small, we're not going to go near it. Anyway. Ah, yeah, they've located another beehive. More?
More.
Oh, okay, in there. I see. Little beehive. Okay. What's the process?
The process.
Not to get bitten. Don't get stung. Oh, yeah.
Ai nào ở pin là bông sao nè.
Oh.
Được sầu chanh. Nhìn con đó không tăng tươi à. Cho nam mà bóc thịt à? Hả? Rồi. Đây. Ăn chơi. Có ai như vậy không? Rồi. Rồi này. Sao cái này nè. Sao khả nụ hai tao khả nụ hai tao. Trai hơi. Còn được thì
Ôi.
Ông nó đây không? Đẹp đâu rồi chứ.
They're leaving it.
Họ sao chơi?
Yeah, they don't like the smoke.
Nơi cày. Nơi cày. From một chảo bọt đến bên nhà ta. Năm sao? Ôi chắc ông.
You getting them?
ไก่บกกัดเอากี่ไทยมาฮะนะไก่อร่อยกัดเนาะกัดเอาไว้จริงเนาะลมเรียบตุบดียัดเลี้ยงมาเรียบตุบจับไว้โบกกอกnó bình bó này ha nó hay dùng bình kia à thôi
ôi time to go, I think. Time to go. I'm not as brave as them. Look at them still swarming around here everywhere. I might take a little bit more cover. There he is. Look at that. Hey, beautiful.
free
I hope the bees don't want it back. There we go, they said, come in, come in. Apparently they spotted another one here, so I'll just come along for the ride. Oh, yeah, down there through there. Can you see him down there? Okay. I'll get out of the way for a minute and let them start their process. Collecting beehive. Okay, the finished product. I haven't got an audience to help me, but they basically only wanted to get it so I could try it. So here we go. No? Chang na. So that's it. How to get honeycomb in Cambodia. So yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe. Catch you next one.